All right, so I'm going to try a little something new. I'm going to try to do my videos on the board here. I took it from school and brought it home. So I'm going to try to do some, I'm trying to figure out all my lighting and things like that to make sure this works good. Hopefully you can see it. If not, I'll try different color markers or I'll do different things, but I'll try to do some videos like this now, so I can work out some problems too and you can look back at your workbook. But we are going to be on page 249, okay? And our learning target is to convert among customary measurements of weight. Okay, so last time we did like grams, but now what we're doing is ounces, pounds, and tons. Okay, should have heard these before. Obviously, pounds, we deal with pounds a lot. Ounces, okay, ounces is OZ. So if you see OZ, it means ounce. If you see LB, it means pounds. And if you see a capital T, it means tons. And this is basically where we're going to work today, and I'm going to show you a couple of rules on how you can know how you can go from one to the next. Okay, basically we're going to go from ounces to pounds or pounds to ounces. So we'll go back and forth between these. Or what we might do is go back and forth between these. Okay, but we don't typically go from ounces to tons. We don't usually do that one because of the fact that tons are so big and ounces are so small. We don't go back and forth. So I'm going to give you like that cheat sheet. It's on your homework. There are basically just four rules to follow. One to get here, one to get there, one to get here. No, not there. Here to here, here to there. Okay, well, here we go. All right, so let's see how this works. So, all right, magically appeared across. How about that? Okay, so I got my little cheat sheet here, and it goes, how can I go from, say, pounds to ounces? So let's say I start with, let's put it up here. Let's say I start with pounds, and I want to go to ounces. Okay, so I know my pounds, but I don't know my ounces. I have to take my pounds, and I'm going to take it times 16, okay, because there are 16 ounces in a pound. Now the other way is if I start with ounces and I want to go to pounds, right? Okay, it's going to be the opposite. So then I'm going to divide by 16. Okay, that's if we're working with pounds and ounces. And now what we want to do is how you go from like tons to pounds. Okay, so now if we have tons and we want to go to pounds, okay, we're going to take it times 2,000 because there is 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. Okay, and then we're going to try to go from a pound to a ton. So then that's going to be the opposite. We're going to divide by 2,000. Okay, so that's how we're going to work this. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, maybe I'll have to write it a little thicker. But here's the deal, right? So we're going from pound to ounces. Ounces is small, right? So we're going from a big thing to a small thing. So there's more of them, so we multiply. Here we're going from ounces to pounds. It's a small thing, and it goes to a big thing. So then we're going to want to divide by 16. Here again, tons is big. We're going to something small. So we're going to multiply by 2,000. Here we're starting with something small, going to something big. So we're going to divide by 2,000. So let's take a look. If we look at page 249, okay, in our books, problem number 2, okay, it asks you to go from 64 ounces, right? And it's wanting you to go to what? Pounds. So all we got to do is we got to look at our sheet, right? So ounces to pounds is up here, right? Ounces to pounds is this one. Ounces to pounds is divide by 16. So we take 64, right? Divided by 16. Okay, so 16 divided by, or 64 divided by 16 is 4. Okay, so our answer is 4. Okay, ounces was small. We're going to something big. So when we go from small to big, we have to divide. Okay, and the magic number up here was 16. So that's all you've got to do. Okay, it's just real easy conversions, just like the last one. Okay, so let's take a look at number 3. Okay, number 3 says, how many tons, okay, is equal to 10,000 pounds? Okay, you're starting with pounds, right? So you have the poundage and you have to get back to tons. So where's the pounds to tons? Pounds to tons is right here. Pounds to tons is divided by 2,000. So we take this 10,000, okay, and we divide it by 2,000. So we just take this and divide by 2,000. So 10,000 divided by 2,000 is 5. Okay, so 5 tons is equal to 10,000 pounds. Okay, so that's all we need to do for that. Okay, maybe I should get that little glare off of there. I'm not sure. Let's see if this helps. Nope, that glare is coming from something else, so not really sure where this little glary thing's coming from. Right over here somewhere. Yeah, right there. Might be a window of mine. But anyways, okay, so back to the story here. Okay, let's look at number 4. Okay, number 4 says you have 11 tons, right? And you have to go to how many pounds, right? Okay, so we're going from tons to pounds. So tons to pounds is right here, so we have to times by 2,000. So we take this 11 and we just times 2,000. Okay, so what is 11 times 2,000? 11 times 2,000 is 22,000. So 22,000 pounds. Okay, well, 11 tons, that's pretty heavy. 2,000 pounds in every ton. Okay, so we just do the math. There we go. Not too bad of a lesson today. You guys did really good on the last one, so I'm hoping you're going to do good on this one. Sorry about all the smudges. All right, so let's take a look at number 5. Let's do a couple more problems here. We have 16 pounds, and we're trying to go to ounces. 16 pounds to ounces, so you look up here, pounds to ounces up there, times 16, right? So we take 16 times 16. Okay, 16 times 16. And we do the math, and you end up with 256 ounces. Okay, 6 times 6 is 36. 9, 0, 6, 1. Did I do that right or no? I forgot my placeholder. Right, 0, 6, 1, 3. Did I still do it wrong? 6 times 6 is, 36. There we go. 6, 5, 2. 256. All right. Okay, let's do number 6. It says how many tons? So how many tons is equal to 14,000 pounds? Okay, we look at our sheet. We have pounds. We're going pounds to tons. Okay, so pounds to tons is right here. We divide by 2,000. So we take it and divide by 2,000. 14,000 divided by 2,000 is indeed 7. Okay, I don't think I have to do too many more problems here because I think you get the point. Okay, the point is right up above. Okay, it's right here. It's your cheat. It's on your homework. Okay, pounds to ounces, take it times 16. Ounces to pounds divided by 16. Tons to pounds, you times 2,000. Pounds to tons, you divide by 2,000. Okay, so don't forget that's pounds, ounces, and tons. There are 2,000 pounds in a ton, and there is 16 ounces in a pound. Okay, so really you're just working with the number 16 and you're working with the number 2,000 today. Okay, so make sure you get your homework completed. A lot of you did a really good job on 8.5. Do a good job on 8.6. 8.7 is nice. 8.6 is our last conversion one. So once we get to 8.7, it's actually talking about line plots and things like that, and the graphing, and then 3D shapes are coming. So, all right, there you go. There's lesson 8.5. Watch it, do a good job, and like Missy said, don't forget to be kind.